Hello students, welcome back to maths class. We are doing a pair of straight lines. From this pair of straight lines you are going to get two 7 marks questions, two long questions, right? So I said from the first two exercises and before first two exercises you are going to get one question, and from the last exercises compulsory last exercise only one 4C, right? From 4A, 4B and the examples before 4A and 4B you are going to get one question, and from 4C compulsory you are going to get one question. Okay, remember this. So now come to this problem, exercise 4A. Already we solved some example problems, one theorem we solved, two problems we solved example problems. Now we are in exercise 4A. So find the centroid and area of the triangle formed by the lines this line and this one. Okay, so this is nothing but the combination of the form, right? It is combination of two lines OA and OB. It is a curve OA, combined equation of OA and OB. It is a curve made by OA and OB. It is a line. Okay, so we have to find the centroid. Suppose this is 0, right? This is your A, this is your B. Okay, so we have to find the A, B and this line. So this is your AB is this line, and combined equation of OA and OB is this curve equation. Okay, so come on, how we will solve this one? So the combined equation of OA and OB is, what is that? It is 2y square minus xy minus 6x square is equal to 0. You consider this as first equation, and equation of AB is what is that? X plus y plus 4 is equal to 0. So this is, you consider second one. With this y is equal to, just send x, right, and 4 that side, and substitute y, right, in first equation. That means trying to get our A and B points. How we will get this point? By solving this combined equation of OA and OB and AB, then we will get our A and B points. Why we need A and B points? Here we need centroid, right? Centroid means if we know the three vertices OAB, what is the formula for centroid? x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. That means we need all the three vertices of the triangle. Okay, so to get that triangle, how we will get that triangle? Just you solve that curve equation and line equation. Okay, so substituting y in 1, right? So what happens? This is your y value. You can write this as third equation. In 1, 2 into wherever y is there you take minus of x plus 4 whole square minus x into minus of x plus 4, right, minus 6x square is equal to 0. Okay, so now expand this 2 into minus whole square, minus into minus plus, so only x plus 4 whole square, so it is x square plus 4 square is 16 plus 8x. Okay, here minus of minus plus x square plus 4x minus 6x square is equal to 0. So it is 2x square plus 2 6 32. Next 2 8 16x plus x square plus 4x minus 6x square is equal to 0. Okay, so now write x square terms together. What we are doing? We are solving, right? We are solving these two curve and line equations so that their point of intersection, right? Curve is nothing but the combined equation of OA and OB. Line is AB. So if you solve, you will get 2 points. Already we know that O is nothing but horizon 0, 0. So come on, here it is 2x square plus x square, 3x square. 3x square minus 6x square is minus 3x square. Okay, next 16x plus 4x is 20x. Okay, next constant term plus 32 is equal to 0. First term should not be negative, so it is 3x square minus 20x minus 32 is equal to 0. Now we have to get the factors for this. How we will get it? Minus 32 into 3, right? So it is minus 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So now we have to select two numbers, right, whose product should be minus 96 and whose sum should be minus 20. Like that we have to select two numbers. So how we will select two numbers? So if we take 96 first with 8, right, 8 ones are 8 twos are, right. Next we can take 3 fours, 8 threes are 24, 24 4 we can take. Okay, so it is 3x square minus 24x plus 4x minus 32 is equal to 0. So from this we can take 3x outside, x minus 8, right. From this we can take 4 outside, x minus 8 is equal to 0. So x minus 8 is common for both. We can take 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. So x minus 8 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. So we get two cases here. So you take case 1 and case 2, right. First, in case 1 we will take x minus 8 is equal to 0 implies x is equal to 8. Substitute x is equal to x value in third equation. What is your third equation? Y is equal to minus of x plus 4. Okay, so is equal to minus of x 8, right. 8 plus 4 is equal to minus 12. Okay, so therefore this is your first point. A is equal to, what is your point? X coordinate is 8 and y coordinate is 12. Okay, next you take your case 2, right. What is your case 2? You got 3x plus 4 is equal to 0 implies x is equal to minus 4 by 3. So same thing, substitute x in your y equation. Y is equal to minus of x plus 4. Directly I am taking minus 4 by 3 plus 4. Already you know your y value, right. Minus 3 is the LCM, minus 4, 4 3s are 12. Right, so is equal to minus of 12 minus 4, 8. So minus 8 by 3. Therefore, your B point is, what is your B? X coordinate is minus 4 by 3 and y coordinate is minus 8 by 3. Okay, we got A value, B value. So after getting, we know the horizon 0, 0, we have to find centroid. First we have to find centroid. Therefore, centroid of which triangle? Centroid of triangle OAB, right. And centroid is denoted by G. And what is the formula? It is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Okay, so is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3, 8, right? Next, minus 4 by 3 plus 0 by 3. Next value, minus 12 minus 8 by 3 plus 0 by 3. Okay, so is equal to, what is the LCM? 3 is the LCM. 8 3s are 24 minus 4 by 3. Right. Similarly, 3 is the LCM. 12 3s are 36 minus 8 by 3. Okay. So 24 minus 4, that is 20 by 3 by 3. That means 3 comes here. It is 9. Right. It is minus 44 by 3 comes downwards 9. This is your centroid. Okay. So 2 questions are asked. One is a centroid and the next area of the triangle. So come on, we will find area of which triangle? Triangle OAB. Right. So area of the triangle OAB is equal to half modulus x1 y2 minus x2 y1. Okay, whenever origin is one vertex, then area of the triangle formula is half into modulus x1 y2 minus x2 y1. Actually x1 into, right, y2 minus y1, like that we will take area of the triangle if 3 vertices are there, A, B, C. That means instead of origin, suppose any other vertices, but if origin is there, area of the triangle is this formula. Okay, so is equal to, then we can write this as 1 by 2 into x1. What is your x1 y? This is your x1 y1. Okay, and B point is your x2 y2, and you can take origin. We are not taking this value. So x1 is 8, right? And y2, what is y2? Minus 8 by 3 minus x2, what is your x2? Minus 4 by 3. Okay, into y1, what is y1? Minus 12. This is your area of the triangle. 1 by 2, 8 8s 64 by 3. Minus into minus, plus, in between minus. Come on, 12 4s 48 by 3. Okay, is equal to 1 by 2 modulus of, what is the LCM? 3 is the LCM. Minus 64 minus 48. Okay, so 1 by 2 by 3 into how much? 8 4, right? So it is 12 and this is 11 by this one. So 2 5s 2 6s, so 56 by 3 square units. We are finding the area of the triangle, so its units are called square units. This is the problem. So come on, we will first we have to find the centroid and area of the triangle formed by one curve and one line. If you observe this curve equation, it is of the form ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. First x square is given this side, but it is in the form of ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 form. Whenever any equation is there, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0, it is nothing but the combined equation of OA and OB. So we will consider this as combined equation of OA and OB is this equation. Okay, next line, this is AB line, x plus y plus 4 is equal to 0 is the equation of the line. Okay, so then we can take y is equal to, we will send these two values that side. Why we are doing like this? Actually question is find the centroid, right? Centroid and area of the triangle. So if we want to find the centroid of the triangle, we need the vertices, right? So origin is one vertices and we want to find A and B other vertices, right? So to know, to get that A and B values, we have to solve this curve and line equation. Okay, so how we will solve? From the line equation, you take y value and substitute that y value in the curve, right? Then we got one quadratic equation, minus 3x square plus 20x plus 32 is equal to 0. Okay, so now multiply this one into this one, right? So we will get minus 96. Okay, then we have to find two factors, right, whose product should be minus 96, and if we add, we have to get minus 20 there, right? For that sake, we have taken minus 24, 4, isn't it? We have taken the values, we got 8 3s, right? 24 and 4. So if you multiply, you will get minus 96. If you add, you will get minus 20. Like that we have to select two numbers, isn't it, to get the factors for the quadratic equation. Actually here we got minus 3x square plus 20x plus 32 is equal to 0. But first term should not be negative, right? That's why sending this negative value that side, other side, taking common and sending that side, you got this quadratic equation, right? So once you got this quadratic equation, find the factors. Factors are minus 24, 4. Okay. So next from these two you can take a 3x common, and from this you can take a 4 common. Okay, so we got two values, two cases. We got x minus 8 is equal to 0 one case, and 3x plus 4 is equal to 0 another case. With the first case we got x is equal to 8. Substitute this x in y value, you will get, that means you got x coordinate as well as y coordinate. So one point we got it, that is A. Similarly, you take second case, 3x plus 4 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 4 by 3. So substitute this x in y, you will get another y coordinate. So x coordinate, y coordinate, you got second one. So that is nothing but your B value. Okay, so now centroid of triangle you take. So you can ask to get to find a centroid, we need another vertex. Here another vertex is origin. We know it very well, origin is 0, 0. So no need to find third vertex. Third vertex is origin. Okay, so centroid formula is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. You consider A as x1, y1, b as x2, y2, and your origin, isn't it? Origin 0, 0. This can be considered as x3, y3, isn't it? So substitute in that formula, you got your centroid. Next, area of the triangle when one vertex is origin. Area of the triangle when one vertex is origin is half into modulus of x1 y2 minus x2 y1. Okay, so half into x1. So same thing, we have taken A point as x1, y1, B point as x2, y2. So x1 is 8 and y2 is minus 8 by 3 minus x2, x2 is minus 4 by 3 and y1 is minus 12. Okay, taking the LCM and you got your area of the triangle. Okay, most repeated 7 marks question from this exercise 4A of pair of straight lines. Okay, so whenever any curve is in the form of ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0, it is the combination of combined equation of OA and OB. Remember, right, in the beginning only homogeneous equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 is called the homogeneous equation. If it is homogeneous equation, it can be written as pair of two lines OA and OB, right, which passes through the origin. Okay, so that's why OA and OB we will say it both will passes through the origin. Okay, so just solve the curve equation and the line equation. You will get two vertices. Once we got two vertices, third vertices is origin. Okay, with that, if we got three vertices, you can take centroid of the triangle, right. So it is very simple formula from the school days. You know that the centroid of the triangle. Then you remember generally area of the triangle is half modulus x1 into y2 minus y1 plus x2 into y3 minus y. Like that we will take the formula. But here I have taken this. Y means whenever one vertex of the triangle is origin, area of the triangle is half into x1 y2 minus x2 y1. Just substitute and find the value. Okay, so very important problem. Practice it, and while taking the LCM factors you should be careful, right. So here we are having minus 32, 3, both should be multiplied, that is minus 96. Now we have to select two numbers whose product should be minus 96 and sum should be minus 20. So 96, take the values first with 8, next with 3, next with 4. So 8 3s are 24. 24 we can take minus 24, 4. So that sum will be minus 20x. Okay. In place of minus 26, I have taken minus 24x plus 4x. Okay. So practice this problem perfectly. That's all for today. Have a nice day.